Welcome to the workshop at the Concord Free Public Library. My name is Christy and I'm here today to show you how to use the workshop's button maker. Let's take a look at materials. For every button you want to make, you'll need a metal button front, a clear mylar button cover, and a metal button back. If this is your first time making a button, you're welcome to use a couple of the library's button sets for free. But if you're making a larger number of buttons or making them regularly, we ask all makers to help us keep the workshop free and accessible to everyone by donating the cost of the supplies that they use, about $1 for every 10 buttons. Alternatively, you're welcome to purchase your own button supplies in bulk and bring them along with you. Our button machines accept any standard 1.25-inch button blanks. Okay, let's get making. The art for your buttons should be printed on standard printer or magazine weight paper. Thicker materials like cardstock, construction paper, or fabric won't seal properly in the button and can jam the machine. If you'd like to custom print a design, the actual design area should be 1.156 inches in diameter with a 0.473-inch bleed. You can find pre-sized templates on the manufacturer's website at AmericanButtonMachines.com. Whatever art you plan to use for your buttons will need to be cut exactly to size using one of our circle punch tools. Set the tool on an even work surface, then slide the image you'd like to cut out into the slot on the side of the punch. You might need to cut the paper down for it to fit. The circular window on the top of the punch previews what you'll cut out, so be sure to center your design the best you can. When you're happy with the way it looks, just push down on the lever to cut a circle, then tap the silver cylinder up from the bottom to get the paper out. Be sure to pull the lever back up before removing any leftover paper scraps for the next maker. Now it's time to create your button. Place the button maker on an even work surface. You'll notice that two circular canisters spin underneath the big lever. Grab a button front, that's the metal piece without a pin, and place it smooth side up into the canister that it fits into without wiggling around when you touch it. Lay your paper cutout on top with the design facing up towards you, then put the clear plastic film circle on top of that. When your layers are set, spin the canister around so it's under the base of the lever, then push the lever down over the button. You might need to stand up to get enough force. When you lift the lever, you shouldn't see any button parts left in the canister because they're being held up under the lever. Take your button back and place it pin side down in the canister you didn't use the first time, then spin it so it's under the center of the lever. Press the lever down one more time, then spin the canister to retrieve your finished button. Congratulations, you're now a trained maker. If you want to learn more about everything our button maker can do, visit AmericanButtonMachines.com for more information and tutorials direct from the manufacturer. The workshop is made possible by the generous support of the Concord Free Public Library Corporation, a nonprofit organization supported by makers like you. Learn more about all the corporation does to make our library awesome and how you can help at cfpl.info. And if you just can't get enough making, be sure to check out the workshop's full library of maker tools and upcoming classes and events at cfpl.info/workshop. Bye-bye.